Shri Shuka Vacha Te Anyo Asura Patram Arantastyakta Sohradaha Shri Panto Dasya Dharmana Ayantim Dadashu Striyaham. Shukadeva Goswami that thereafter the demons became inimical towards one another, throwing and snatching the container of nectar. They gave up their friendly relationship. Meanwhile, they saw a very beautiful young woman coming forward toward them. So this is Mohini Murti, and immediately the demons developed a desire to enjoy. So therefore, we say bhoga and yoga are two opposite terms. Bhoga and seva are two opposite terms. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhoga vancha kare. It says our whole material existence is because of desire to enjoy. Bhoga vancha. In the truth, actually there is only one enjoy, Krishna. Bhogeshwarya prasaktana. There is only one bhoga, Bhogeshwarya, that is Krishna. He is the only enjoyer. But somehow we also want to compete instead of trying to cooperate. Prabhupada says very nicely, everybody wants peaceful enjoyment. Everybody wants peacefully keep enjoying. But that's no problem. But the problem is we want to do it independently. Or know where Krishna is in picture, I want to enjoy. That is going to be trouble. It is not going to work out. We cannot enjoy independently. Because we are not the enjoyer. Krishna is the enjoyer. We can enjoy in cooperation. One devotee gives a very, very nice example of this. He says, suppose our mother is cooking in the kitchen. So it's very easy for the child to participate. In the sense, he can assist the mother in cooperation. And when Shri Shri Radha Govinda Ki. So when the cooking is over, he can also sit and enjoy the food with the mother. It's easy. Mother cooks, the child assists, the food is done, offered to the Lord, child mother can in cooperation enjoy. But suppose the child says, I will cook myself independently. He can't cook, he's too small. So what mother gives a child is called a toy kitchen. I've seen a toy kitchen. There is no gas in it, no fire in it, because it's very dangerous to give the child all this kind of thing. He'll burn himself, he'll kill himself. So the child gets what is known as the toy kitchen, and he has some kind of a cooking in it. In the toy, at the end, after 1 hour, child is feeling cooking is going on because it has all the sounds and everything. But there is no fire, there is no cooking. At the end of 1-2 hours, things are as it is, nothing has happened. That is independent enjoyment. So when we try to enjoy independently, actually we get what is known as the toy kitchen. There is no result at the end. Nothing we get at the end. But actually when we try to serve Krishna in cooperation, when you cooperate, so therefore we said there are 3 kind of people. One person, he wants to enjoy nothing to do with God, the demons. Demons want to enjoy without God. Then there are devatas. They enjoy by blessing of God, but they are also enjoying. But then there are pure devotees. They participate in God's enjoyment, and actually they enjoy. So only the pure devotees have an access to spiritual pleasure, where they are enjoying in service to Krishna. Demons, they enjoy no God. Again, the demigods, they enjoy by blessing of God, but enjoyment is there. Pure devotee, there is no material enjoyment. No material enjoyment. They enjoying in service, that is another pleasure. Now this is very, very confidential. Therefore bhakti is not easily given. Krishna can make you Brahma, Krishna can make you Indra, but Krishna doesn't give bhakti easily. है ना? Bhakti rare. To get post, big post, easy. But bhakti very, very rare. Krishna will not give bhakti easily. It's very confidential. Bhakti is pleasure of serving Krishna. The joy of Krishna Seva. That is rare. That even Devatas don't have access to. They have Apsaras, they have big opulence. But the joy of serving Krishna is very confidential. It is not given. Because when Krishna gives that, he becomes the property of the devotee. Therefore, he does not give that. Somebody is serving Krishna with great pleasure. Krishna becomes his property. So Krishna does not bestow that easily. But Krishna bestows other things very easily. So our desire for peaceful enjoyment doesn't work, because finally Krishna is the enjoyer, not you. And it will not last. Because our problem is of independent enjoyment, which is not practical. You cannot enjoy independently. So in this, developing on this more, enjoying and serving, it says, Atha Shri Krishna Namadi, very famous verse, Atha Shri Krishna Namadi, Atha Shri Krishna Namadi, Nagraham Indriyai, Sebon Mukhe Jivado Swayameva Spurati Adaha. It says, we cannot capture the Lord by our material senses. But when you develop service spirit, the Lord is revealed. So pure devotees, they develop the service spirit more and more and more. And that is advancement in Krishna consciousness. A real advancement means how much I am advancing in service spirit. Tatrapi Daksha, the pure devotee, Pratikshana, morning we sing, Shri Radhika Madhavya Rapara, Pratikshana, every second is serving Krishna, and Tatrapi Daksha is serving with all his intelligence, very expertly serving. Pure devotee is serving Krishna every moment and very expertly. In a service spirit. He is so having enjoyment in service spirit. Brahmand Brahmite Kona Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. This is very rarely given by the mercy of a pure devotee and Krishna. This pleasure of service Krishna is very, very rarely given. And how do you know somebody has it? Mahatmanastu Mam Partha Devim Prakati Mashritaha Bhajanti Ananya Manaso. How do you know somebody got the seed of pure devotion service? Bhajanti Ananya Manaso, constantly serving Krishna. कैसे पता है कि भक्ति का बीज दिल में है? वो 24 घंटा भगवान का सेवा का इच्छा रखता है. ठीक है, अभी बीज फ्रक्टिफाई होने का, बीज तो शुद्ध भक्त दे देते हैं, है ना, तो सेवा का आनंद तो आता है, लेकिन अभी फ्रक्टिफाई होता है तो 24 घंटा भजंती अनन्य मनसो, कुछ और डाइवर्जन के बिना वो कॉन्स्टेंटली कृष्ण सेवा करता है. सो हाउ टू गेट दिस मिराकल, how to get this miracle to come to seva from bhoga. Presently, whatever we see, we want to enjoy. But how to come to seva bhav? How do we come to that? Prabhupada says, we should only hear transcendental vibration. Shravanam is most important. Bhakti ke navang mein sabse important Shravan hai. 24 hour only transcendental sound we should hear. So, asasanga tyaga, very important to understand difference between material sound and spiritual sound. Just like भोगा और प्रसाद में डिफरेंस आसान नहीं है, सबको एक ही लगता है. म्यूजिक और भजन में फ़र्क आसान नहीं है. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं म्यूजिक क्या चलता है, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है, और उसमें क्या करना है हमको तो भजन चाहिए ना, हमको तो कृष्ण का भजन करना है. क्या करेंगे? हाँ हाँ हो, क्या करना है उसका? हमको कृष्ण का सेवा करना है. इतना टाइम बर्बाद भाई मतलब है. सो मेटेरियल साउंड और स्पिरिचुअल साउंड में बहुत फ़र्क होता है, दिखता नहीं है. जैसे ऑर्डिनरी आदमी भक्त में फ़र्क होता है ना, उधर कृष्ण का कृपा मिल सकता है. हरि नाम में और म्यूजिक का फ़र्क होता है, उधर कृष्ण का कृपा मिलता है. भोग प्रसाद में फ़र्क है, भोग में कोई कृपा नहीं. ये किताब में, शास्त्र में और नावल में बहुत फ़र्क है. बहुत लोग हैं पूरा दिन नावल पढ़ते हैं, शास्त्र नहीं पढ़ सकते, बिकॉज ये ट्रांसेंडेंटल वाइब्रेशन है. सो टू स्पिरिचुअलाइज अस, टू चेंज अस, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है कि 24 आवर्स खाली आध्यात्मिक शब्द को सुनने का, भौतिक शब्द को नहीं सुनने का, तो उसको डिस्क्रिमिनेट करता है जितना आदमी, उतना वो स्पिरिचुअली एडवांस होता रहता है. We advance by hearing transcendental sound, not material sound. All the sound in the world is there, so much sound, that is material. Transcendental sound is a devotion about the Lord spoken by great devotees, or the holy name uttered with devotion. That is transcendental sound. You understand? Now, if we only hear transcendental sound, only transcendental sound, no material sound. Material sound means all this sinful people speaking so many things. I don't want to hear. Only hear Krishna Katha, Krishna Katha, Krishna Katha, Krishna Katha. Then Seva Bhav coming out. The heart is turning, just like iron touching fire. Iron becomes hot like fire. Its nature changes. It doesn't look no longer iron, it is like fire. So similarly, even though our heart is material, constantly hearing Krishna Katha, only hearing Krishna Katha, we make a determination. I will only hear Krishna Katha from today. Very soon you'll become devotee. Only Krishna Katha. I'll only hear Krishna Katha. I don't hear anything else. Because a material sound is material. It will create so much. Narad Muni says, when you hear a material sound, material concepts, material ideas, material desires, when we hear, it is like a boat in ocean dragged by the wind, with nowhere to go. So mind becomes blown up with so much anxiety. Bhayam dviti anuvejta shat isha dapatyasya viparya smritihi. When we forget Krishna, anxiety starts. So material sound means forget Krishna, hear about some other thing. Grame katha na shunive. Do not hear. It's a very simple thing, very easy to remember, but most difficult to follow. So if we do this, we slowly come out of the enjoying tendency. Then the heart becomes totally spiritualized. So in this world we have an enjoying tendency, but what is the enjoyment in this world? In this world, enjoyment, along with enjoyment, we have to do hard work. Enjoyment does not come free. We have to do hard work with enjoyment. ये दुनिया में एंजॉयमेंट के साथ साथ मेहनत है. अरे ये तो दोनों अपोजिट है ना. कृष्ण तो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं फ्लूट लेके, वो उनको तो ऑफिस नहीं जाने का. यहाँ लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, लोग फैक्ट्री जा रहे हैं. सुबह बॉम्बे में जैसा शहर में 6 बजे निकल जाते हैं, 9 बजे पहुँचते हैं ऑफिस, और वहाँ 8 घंटा 10 घंटा काम किया है, फिर रात के 9 बजे पहुँचते हैं. सुबह 6 बजे निकला आदमी 9 बजे पहुँचता है और सोच रहा है एंजॉय कर रहा है. ये किस में एंजॉयमेंट किधर है तेरा, है ना. तो ये जो मेहनत और एंजॉयमेंट अपोजिट है. कृष्णा तो नहीं कर रहे. कृष्णा ऑफिस जाते हैं, फैक्ट्री जाते हैं क्या, वो तो फ्लूट लगे मजा आता है. तो वो बता रहे ना, कोई आदमी प्रभुपाद जी बोलते ना, भारत में आया था, ढूंढने जा रहा था कि भगवान कौन है. हर मंदिर में गया, देखा सबके पास कुछ काम है. कोई तलवार लिए बैठा है, कोई खड़गा लिए बैठा है, सब कुछ, और कृष्णा खाली फ्लूट है. यही भगवान है. भगवान के पास काम नहीं है. ही इज एंजॉयिंग. ही हैज नो वर्क टू डू. न तस्य कार्यम करणम च विद्यते न च समवितकश्च दृश्यते पराशक्ति विविधे श्रूयते स्वाभाविकी ज्ञान बल क्रियते. ऑल नॉलेज, एवरीथिंग इज ऑटोमेटिकली प्रेजेंट इन कृष्णा and he is just enjoying. So what do? We have to participate in his enjoyment. Presently we are trying to imitate his enjoyment. So 2 ways. Prabhupada says Krishna is dancing with the Radharani, is dancing with the gopis. Krishna Radharani और गोपी के साथ नाच रहे हैं. तो कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, वो अपना आनंद बनाते हैं. इस दुनिया में वो भी लड़कियां इकट्ठे करके नाचते हैं क्लब में दारू पी के. वो एक्चुअली दे आर एंजॉयिंग कृष्णा, लाइक ट्राइंग टू इमिटेट कृष्णा. इन बीच में एक और लोग हैं, अकेले नाचते हैं. वो पागलपन है. अकेला कौन नाचता है? नोबडी डांसेस अलोन. दैट इज मायावादिस्ट. Impersonalists, they dance alone. That is strange. You dance with devotees. It is so blissful. And the bhogis, they want to make an imitation enjoyment. So these people, all the Danavas, are totally wonderstruck by the beauty of Mohini, because Mohini is the most beautiful woman, and her body is spiritual. There is no way Danavas can escape it. Only a pure devotee can be not affected. Prabhupada gives an example of Haridas Thakur. The Maya personally came to test Haridas Thakur in the cave in the night. Prabhupada says there, he was not touched. Even Shiva was shaken, but Haridas Thakur was not shaken. Haridas Thakur was peacefully chanting the name of the Lord. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha rasavarja rasopi asya param drishtva nivartate. Vishaya vinivartante. we want to give up enjoyment. Vishaya vinivardante. Nirahara siddehina. We don't want any more to do any other bhoga. Rasavarja rasopiyasya. Even though we give up bhoga, the taste is still there in the tongue. Param dishtva nivartate. When a higher taste comes, then you can give up lower taste. A devotee factually experiences higher pleasure in service to Krishna. Right? But this pleasure is only there when, without any offense, we are doing devotion service. Otherwise, the pleasure will not be there. Like a simple example I said, we are taking gulab jamun. We are eating gulab jamun. At the end is the taste. Most important at the end, the taste of it, correct? So we are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. But at the end, the taste, if it is not there, we cannot continue chanting. Then the mind will get distracted, correct? You are eating gulab jamun, there is sweet taste there. You will keep eating one after another because now the taste you are getting. So similarly, we are chanting, the taste is very important. But the taste is not easily given. It's very, very confidential. That's the highest blessing Krishna can give. So this enjoyment is there in Krishna. We also have a propensity to enjoy, but unfortunately we want to enjoy independently. So we cooperate in the enjoyment of Krishna as servitors, and then we also enjoy in service to the Lord, not independently. So their message of Dhanavas is they want to enjoy independently of the Lord. A pure devotee has no plan of enjoyment. He just wants to serve Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Hare